Wait, okay, girls, okay. That song was extraordinary. You know, the energy, the message, with the different colors. It's quite a catchy lyrics, and I think this is gonna be top of the top in the mainstreams because based on the catchy lyrics, based on how everyone can rock to this, based on how everyone can, feel the vibe, based on how everyone can relate to Hot Sauce, I think this is also one of the major hits from, the girls. Okay, by listening to them, I've realized that, their music is just so simply but yet so entertaining because if you're listening and you're not in the mood, okay, and you listen to this song, meditating on this song, meditating on the words of this song, you can literally go in depth and feel the vibe of the song because the song is literally an entertainment. Okay, and what they're giving us, it is just so simple and yet so clean. No expletives, nothing like that to cause people not to listen to. You can use your kids to listen to it. You can listen to this song with all the family members out there. Okay, and this is the reason why I always seems to cling to, the girls. Okay, and whenever time their music should be out there in the public, it is always something that I can relate to. The Baby Monsters, these females are just so incredible songwriters, especially for the rap part. Okay, it is just so vibey. With the message that was coming from her, with the message that was coming from each individual that partakes in this track, it was a job well done. Superb. Super Baby Monsters. As a Jamaican, this type of music can literally get a lot of airplay in my country. Okay, because of the energy. We Jamaican people goes after energy, and if the energy is synonymous unto us, we literally diverse and we literally go and we'll dance just in the moment or just in the nick of time when the song should be playing. Okay, because I'm feeling the music. The music is just so live. It is just so alive. It is just so heavy with energy. And if you guys are not feeling this song, then something is definitely wrong with that person. Okay, people, so thanks for watching. Baby Monsters, lovely song. Hot Sauce is one of my favorite tracks from y'all. Especially the album. The album was a masterpiece. I did enjoy that album. The album was a great album. And to see them continuously dropping hits, dropping bangers, this is that their musical career will now enhance to a different level, a different, lifetime of fans. Go with the fans, understand the fans. Okay, so people, respect for the watch, and to all those who are here for the Baby Monsters, thank you so much for watching. It's a pleasure to have you all here watching, checking out, and to see my reaction towards the wonderful girls. So if you guys want more reaction, remember to subscribe, turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time I releases a reaction by Baby Monsters. Share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican reactor. Right, leave a like. Don't forget to stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another Baby Monster reaction.